In this particular topic, we're going to be talking about properties of reflected figures. So one thing to remember about reflected figures is the sides and the angles will remain the same. So the sides and angles remain the same. I better put size. They remain the same size. And sides that are parallel, this little symbol means parallel, in the original figure stay parallel in the new figure. So always. So we're going to go ahead and do some reflections and then answer the questions about them. So we just have to remember sides and angles stay the same and sides that are parallel stay parallel. Oh man, my drawing is all over that. Well, hopefully you wrote that stuff down. Okay, so we're reflecting the figure across the y-axis. We have to know that the y is vertical. So all we have to do is hit the one that has a vertical line in it. And we're going to put it right on the y-axis, and it reflected it for us. Boom. So then we need to read our statements, which we can't do because I wrote all over them. We'll just clear them off here. When the figure is reflected, its side lengths stay the same. Well, that's true. When the figure is reflected, its angle measures stay the same. True. If two sides are parallel to each other in the original figure, then two sides may not be parallel to each other in the final figure. That's false because they will always be parallel in the final figure. Okay, this one we're going to reflect it in the x-axis. So that's the horizontal one, and we're going to pick the x-axis. It did the reflection for us, and we'll answer the questions. When the figure is reflected, the final angle measures are smaller. Nah, that's false. If two sides are parallel, then they may not be parallel. That's false. The side lengths stay the same. Yep, that's true. It looks like we get to do one more. Woohoo! It's so fun. So now it's reflected in the y-axis. So that's this one. Did the reflection for us. Let's answer the questions. When the figure is reflected, its angle measures stay the same. True. Side lengths stay the same. True. Those sides are parallel to each other. True. Okay, all of these are true. And that is the end of the lesson.